Today, we're hiking the Cerro Ancón, that big green hill with a giant Panamanian flag you can see from almost anywhere in the city. The easiest way to get there is by car. There are two entrances. The first one is located right next to the Panama Canal Administration Building. Here you can park beside the sidewalk or in the designated parking area, available on the weekends for free. During weekdays, it might be hard to find parking space. The second entrance is right next to Mi Pueblito. From Mi Pueblito, you walk to the left, passing by Aldeas Indígenas Panameñas. Keep walking until you see a dead end, and on the right, you'll see some stairs. Climb them up and you arrive to Cerro Ancón. At this entrance, there are not that many parking spaces available, and if you want to avoid climbing the stairs, then we recommend the entrance from the first location. From the Panama Canal Administration Building, just follow the signs up the hill and you get to a security checkpoint at the entrance of Quarry Heights. Then we take the left uphill and follow the paved road. For many years, this area was part of the Panama Canal Zone under USA control, until it was officially returned to Panama. Quarry Heights used to be the headquarters of the United States Southern Command, with a housing area for the high-ranking officers. That's why this place looks like a private residential area. From 1909 to 1914, Cerro Ancón was also a source of rocks for the Panama Canal constructions. The rocks were used for the Pedro Miguel and Miraflores locks. After passing all the houses, you arrive at the gate of the second checkpoint. This is where the hiking trail begins to the top of the hill. To the right, you see the stairs that leads to Mi Pueblito. The trail distance is around 4 kilometers round trip. Depending on your pace, if you're walking or running, it could take from 30 minutes to 1 hour and a half. The surface is mostly paved road, so the difficulty level should be easy with gradual uphill climb, accessible for beginners and families. Remember to bring water, wear comfortable shoes, sunscreen, and hat. Along the way, you get to see amazing views of the city, and you might spot sloth, ñeque, frogs, and other species. If you are tired, you can sit on the bench and rest for a bit. The trail is easy to follow, no need for a guide. Just remember to be respectful of wildlife and protected areas. The best time to go are early morning for cooler weather or late afternoon for sunset views, and during dry season from January to March. Once you reach the top, you get panoramic views of the skyline of Panama City, the Panama Canal, the Pacific Ocean, Amador Causeway, and of course, that massive Panamanian flag waving above you. On October 1st of 1979, the Panamanian flag was raised for the first time in Cerro Ancón. This event represented a sign of sovereignty and a key milestone in Panama history. The Torrijos-Carter treaties were signed on September 7, 1977, at the headquarters of the Organization of American States in Washington, D.C. They were signed by U.S. President Jimmy Carter and Panamanian head of government Omar Torrijos, ending the U.S. colonial presence in the Canal Zone. On top of the hill, we can also find a monument of Amelia Denis de Casa, a poetess who wrote the poem El Cerro Ancón, recognizing her literary and patriotic work. In the plate, you can read the first 4 lines of this beautiful poem. The same way, you can find the first 4 lines of the poetry Oda Inflexible al Cerro Ancón by Demetrio Corsi, a famous Panamanian poet. Hiking Cerro Ancón is more than just panoramic views and wildlife spotting. It is also a remembrance of Panama history, a symbol of Panama's identity, sovereignty, national pride, and independence. The huge Panamanian flag waving represents the land now belongs fully to Panama. Ya no guardas las huellas de mis pasos, ya no eres mío, idolatrado Ancon, que ya el destino desató los lazos que en tu falda formó mi corazón. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to like and subscribe.